Muhammad from Thailand.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, is there anything in Islam, in the Quran or the Sunnah, about the reason why Allah created old age? Old age, I always thought that is something unpleasant, but then later on, as I grew older, I felt like there may be a reason, maybe it's a mercy from Allah, because when we get older, there is a chance that we will submit to Allah, or we are more likely to submit to Allah because we are more humble. Is that the case?
First of all, Allah Azza wa Jal is not asked about his actions or his creation. Allah says in Surah Al-Anbiya, لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون. Allah is not questioned about what he does. However, they are questioned. Secondly, everything that Allah created has a wisdom. We may know this wisdom and we may be neglectful and oblivious of it. Allah created Satan. One would say, Satan or old age? What's the wisdom? Well, you don't have to know the wisdom. But logical people, even non-Muslims, say that by certain things you would identify their benefits when you see the opposite of it. So if there was no darkness, you would never appreciate the light. Go to the Scandinavian countries up north. When they have 2 or 3 months of total daylight, they appreciate nighttime. And when it's nighttime, they appreciate daytime. We, because we have daytime and nighttime, business is as usual. When there is no illness or hardship or calamities, those who are healthy, those who are safe, those who are living a good life would never appreciate Allah's favors and blessings, would never express their gratitude to Allah. Why should I? I've never fallen sick in my life. I've always been this healthy. I've always been rich. I've always been safe in my home and in my country. Once something happens, now you can appreciate it. So without illness, you could never appreciate health. Without poverty, you could never appreciate wealth. Without old age, you cannot appreciate youth. And without old age, the youngsters would not be able to serve and respect, protect the elders and gain reward from Allah Azza wa Jal. The elders, those who are in their old age, would not value the times that Allah Azza wa Jal has given them health, youth, power and energy. And they reflect upon these times and they say, we've missed a lot. We've goofed a lot. However, there is still time. So the more you get older, there are older than you. And you tend to appreciate Allah's gifts. There are so many blessings in everything Allah does, but unfortunately, shaitan preoccupies us to think when it is way over our pay grade. This is none of your business. Focus on getting to Jannah. Don't focus on what's the benefit, what's the wisdom, why. This is not what you were sent to do, what you were created to do. You were created to worship Allah wholeheartedly without any questions asked.